Hello, I hope you have understood the concepts of different types of sets. Yesterday I have explained to you based on set with comparison to itself, you had empty set, finite set, infinite set, and when you are comparing a set with another set, you had universal set, you had equal sets, and you had disjoint sets and subset. So these were the various types of the set. I am sure you are clear with the concept, and now based on the concept of set and its element, I have few problems, not problems I mean to say, some true or false or some statements where you can understand the subject and the topic much better. So just have a look for it, and you can pause the video. It's better that you can copy down and then answer it by yourself. The first question is, if set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and for this particular set 1, 2, 3, 4, these are 5, 6 questions. State whether the following is true or false. I have given to you certain statements. Now those statements, either it should be true or false. Remember, they should be called as statements. Don't call them as sentence, because sentence can never be true or false. Sentence is the English sentence, but statement is always indicates something, right? Either it will be true or it will be false. Are you able to follow? Suppose if I say sun rises in the east, it is a statement. And is it true? Yes sir, it is true. Sun rises in the west, is it a statement? Yes sir, it is a statement. Is it true? No sir, it is a false sir. But in all the cases it is a statement. But if I say you are a good boy, you are a good boy is just a sentence, because you have to define what is good. I hope you understand. So let us try to understand these things and state which of them are following, which of the following are true or false. 2 is an element, and does the element belong to set A? Yes sir, I will say this is true. 2, does it belong to 1, 2, 3, 4 set? Yes sir, whether you say this is A or you write in flower braces, both of them are true. Now A, what is A? 1, 2, 3, 4 is a subset to 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, every set is a subset to itself. So even this is also true. Now 2, 3, 4 is a subset to 1, 2, 3, 4. Every element of this is belonging to this. So therefore 2, 3, 4 is also a subset. But vice versa, 1, 2, 3, 4 cannot be the subset of 2, 3, 4. In this case statement it is true. Now set 2, 3, 4 belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it true? Absolutely not. This is false. Now this would have been true only when you had 1, 2, 3, 4, and again you had a set involving 1, 2, 3, 4, and then closed by the flower basis. If that was an element, then this would have been true. So therefore, since it is not an element and this is a set cannot belong to a set, this statement is a false statement. Now 2 is subset of A. What is 2? 2 is an element. Now when you have an element, you have to use the word belongs to. This subset or superset symbol is used only to denote two sets. So 2 is a subset of A is not a valid statement, but because it is given here, I will say that this is false. So I am sure you understood how to handle this true or false. You can take other examples from the textbook as well. Now state the reasons for the following. Now I have given to you certain statements, and he has clearly given that this is not equal to this, right? This is equal and this is not equal. All right, not equal. Now, why it is not equal, we have to cite the reason. Now, let me have a look. On the left hand side, I have been given with roster form, and the right hand side, I have a set builder form. Roster form is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And set builder form says x belongs to natural numbers, where that x is between 1 and 10. Now, when I say x is between 1 and 10, means the number starts from 2, 3, 4, it goes on till 9. 1 and 10 are not included. So in the roster form 1 and 10 are included. In the set builder form 1 and 10 are not included. Hence these two sets are unequal set. And what is the reason? Reason you will write. Reason is 1 and 10 are not included. Are not included in what? Set builder form. In set builder form you have to include them. Now 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. X is such that X is 2n plus 1 and X belongs to natural numbers. Children, I am sure you had in 9th class what is the definition of even numbers. All the numbers which are of the form 2n are called what? Even numbers. And all the numbers which are of the form 2n plus 1 are called odd numbers. Left hand side you have even numbers, whereas right hand side the statement is given for odd numbers. Hence these two sets are again unequal sets. And the reason what will I write? Reason is definition x is equal to 2n plus 1 is the definition of odd numbers. This is the reason, right? You know already that they are not equal, but you have to state the reason. 5, 15, 30, 45. 5, 15, 35 is a roster form. X is such that X is a multiple of 15. Now, how or why it is a multiple of 15? Is it a multiple of 15? X is a multiple of 15, 45 is a multiple of 15, yes. 30 is a multiple of 15, yes. 15 is a multiple of 15, yes. But 5 is 5 a multiple of 15? No. So what is the reason you will state this time? Reason is 5 is not a multiple. 5 is not a multiple of 15. Now what about the second one? 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is a roster form and this is set builder form. X is such that X is a prime number. Fantastic. Is 2 a prime? Yes sir. Is 3 a prime? Yes sir. Is 5 is a prime? Yes sir. 7 is a prime? Yes sir. But 9 is not a prime. Here right hand side you are telling that it is a prime number. And reason is what? Reason is 9 is not a prime number. So children, I am sure you understood. In the examination also, if he gives you the statements of this sort, where he is asking you to write the reason, you have to declare the reason in this particular manner. So that's how the topic goes on. And now today I am going to introduce to you one more topic called as subsets. Last time I spoke about the definition of subset. Now today I am going to go further and we are going to see how to write the subset for a given set. Alright, now when I say a subset, there are two types of subset. One is a proper subset and other one is a improper subset. So let me explain to you what a proper subset is and what a improper subset is. Alright. Subset. So last time I told you the definition of subset. If the elements of a set belongs, if all the elements of a set belong to the elements of some other set, then the first set is a subset to the other set. Now that is the definition I have told to you. Now let us try to understand how to, shall I give you an example? I will say let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, C is equal to 1, 2. Alright. Now, is A subset of B? How do you write? Is A subset of B? Is A subset of B? Question mark. Yes or no? See, when the question is asked like this, this is subset. Okay, don't get confused. This is C and this is subset. Subset is written like this. 1 belongs to A, 1 belongs to B. 2 belongs to A, 2 belongs to B. 3 belongs to A, 3 belongs to B. All the elements of A are belonging to the set B. So A is a subset of B and the answer is yes. Is B a subset of A? No. You know why the reason? Because 4 belongs to B but 4 does not belongs to A. So I am sure you understood what is the concept of subset, right? And similarly in the case of 1, 2 also, right? 1, 2 is a subset of A as well as a subset of B. Alright. Now I can take one more example. D is equal to 1, 2, 3. And can you observe? 1 belongs to A, 1 belongs to D, 2 belongs to A, 2 belongs to D, 3 belongs to A, 3 belongs to D. And vice versa, all the elements of D belong to A. So A is a subset of D and D is a subset of A. It implies A is equal to B. Always remember, right? When both are subset to each other, the sign convention or the two sets will be equal set. So I am sure now you understood what a subset concept is. Now we will move further and try to understand how to write the subsets of a given set. Alright, so let me take a very simple example for you. Very simple example. List the subsets of A is equal to P comma Q. Children, A is equal to P comma Q is a set. Now, first what will I write is a P, new set. Then I will write Q. P is one set. Whenever you get braces, flower brackets, this is a set. This is first set, second set. Now P comma Q, same thing. A set is a subset to itself, and most important is your empty set. I can write this, or I can use simply like this. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what are the subsets of set A is equal to P comma Q? Set P, set Q, set P comma Q, and empty set. Let me take another example. B is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. If I write B is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, what will be my subsets? 1, set 2, don't say just 3, say set 3. Now I will take set 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 belongs to this and 1 comma 2 belongs to this. Now I will take set 1 comma 3. Next I will take set 2 comma 3. Alright, so you covered this, and now comes set 1 comma 2 comma 3 and then followed by empty set. And you please count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when there are 3 elements in a set, the number of subsets is equal to 2 to the power of 3. Now here how many elements are there? 2 elements. So number of subsets is equal to 2 to the power of 2. What is 2 to the power of 2? 4. That's why you got 4. When there are 3 elements in a set, the number of subsets will be how much? 2 power 3. And what is 2 power 3 is equal to 8. Alright. And always these are called the subsets. And these part, the starting part, this is called as proper set. And whereas these parts are called as improper set. There will be always 2 improper set for any given set. So if I ask you the formula, number of proper subsets is for a set with n elements, is equal to 2 to the power of n minus 2. And if I simply ask you number of subsets, the answer will be 2 to the power of n. So please do remember this formula so that whenever you do any problem, you can always verify. Now I want you to take or write the number of subsets for, I will write C is equal to, for set C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And you know how many you have to get? Answer. It is 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 is how much? 16. So you have to write the 16 subsets. So you please try at home, and in case you are not able to get those subsets, I will help you out. You can WhatsApp me and keep practicing more and more. And most probably tomorrow, the next class will be our last class, where we will discuss the various types of operations being performed on the sets. Alright, thank you, God bless you all, and make sure that you like the video, subscribe the video and pass the video. Thank you, bye bye, see you.